How to search in conversation on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to search in conversation on Truecaller. First open the Truecaller. Now click these 3 points here in the top corner, and then just first go to any shot you want, like this one, and then here we'll find these 3 points, and here we'll find that search in conversation, and now you can search easy and quick. Just type anything you want, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.